Hey there, foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you are a fan of comfort food that's creamy, flaky, and packed with flavor, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the ultimate fish pie, a classic British dish that's hearty, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a fish pie newbie or a seasoned pro, this recipe is going to make your taste buds sing. So, let's get cooking. Close-up shots of fresh ingredients: flaky white fish, smoked salmon, prawns, potatoes, and herbs. Now, what makes a great fish pie? It's all about the balance of flavors and textures. We're talking tender chunks of fish, smoky salmon, juicy prawns, all smothered in a creamy, herby sauce, and topped with a layer of buttery, golden mashed potatoes. Sounds dreamy, right? Let me show you how easy it is to make. Here's what you'll need: 500 g of white fish to 100 grams of smoked salmon to 100 grams of prawns, 1 kilogram of potatoes for that perfect mash, butter, milk, and cream for the sauce, fresh parsley, dill, and chives, a splash of white wine optional, but oh so good, salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for seasoning. Got everything? Let's get started. First,